Make a great choice today with the 2026 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.